Good day. This is argumentative essay about corruption. Flood control corruption, a crime against public safety. Flood control projects are meant to protect lives, homes, and livelihoods. However, when corruption intimates these projects, they turn from safeguard into silent threats. Control corruption, such as the use of funds, substandard construction, and lack of accountability, is a serious problem that worsens flooding and endangered communities. This essay argues that flood control corruption is not only an act of dishonesty but also a direct threat to public safety and national development. First, corruption slows economic growth when public funds are stolen or misused. Least money is available for essential services such as education, healthcare, and infrastructure. As infrastructure. As a result, communities remain underdevelopment and poverty continues to spread. Instead of being invested in projects that benefit the people, resources are diverted to the pockets of a few individuals. One major reason flood control corruption is harmful is that it leads to infective infrastructure. When official pocket funds intended of floods, barriers, drainage system, or renewable contractor forced to use low quality materials or rush construction.